for granting of free arrest bail also. Directly come to the that's FIR in page number 17 also.
Yes.
May I read out also?
Yes.
To the officer in charge, police station Naharlagan, FIR against Sri Aminur Ali, residents of village Nadika PS Bipuria subdivision, North Lakepur district, Lakepur, and Srimati Gyamir Anya, residents of Panchayat colony Naharlagan, POPS Naharlagan, district Pakumpara, Arunachal Pradesh, for theft and other section as appropriate by the law. Respected sir, with utmost privilege, I would like to seek your kind attention toward the above cited subject that Srimati Gyamir Anya, residents of Panchayat colony Naharlagan, POPS Naharlagan, district Pakumpara, Arunachal Pradesh, and Sri Aminur Ali, residents of village Nadika, P Division North Lakepur district, Lakepur, that on 18th of June 2024, Gyamir Anya went missing from Panchayat colony Naharlagan. However, after the proper investigation made by myself and the family member, we came to know that Sri Aminur Ali and Gyamir Anya has left from Naharlagan after taking all the amount which was kept in the house and in the bank of an amount of rupees 30 lakhs gold, approximately of 12 lakhs only, and the local bits ornaments approximately amounting to 10 lakhs. After investigation about the situations, I came to know that both of them has pre-planned and withdrawn all the amount from the house and collected all the gold jewelry and local beads ornament which was kept in the house. On the basis of that, police has registered case under Naharlagan PS case number 70/24 under section 380 120B 34 IPC and the launch into the investigation. So what happened, Lordship, in this case? This applicant is Lordship just a commercial activities helper of the list. He has alleged in this FIR, Lordship. So what happened, Lordship? Since from 2021, the applicant is residing with them as a just commercial activities helper. It's from the Assam. So what happened? Last time he investigated, he went to his native place at Assam to celebrate with their family member. So unfortunately, while reaching over there, suddenly one day came to know that the FIR is lodged against the applicant and the wife of this complainant. So basing on that, Lordship, police has started the investigation. So knowing that, Lordship, what happened, the applicant has, just for precautionary measure, filed anticipatory bail before the Honorable District and Session Court in page number 18, Lordship, page number Annex 2, Lordship. Just for protection, Lordship, after hearing the board parties, learned court below, that district court has rejected the bail application, only says that, may I read out in page number 19, Lordship. After hearing all the learned counsel and complainant, and also taking into consideration the fact of the IO case, has a strongly apprehension that the release of accused person on anticipatory bail will hamper the investigation. This court is not inclined to grant bail and hence rejected. Nothing, no, just only comment on the IO or learned court below has rejected the bail application. So
no, how he withdrawn the money?
Lordship,
from the bank account?
Lordship, come to the page 20, Lordship. It's very clear. What happened, Lordship? Meanwhile, the co-accused that informant wife has been arrested by police, Naharlagan police. So arrested and taken into police custody. They have done in the judicial court. UPI court has already granted bail also.
Complainant's wife.
Yes, complainant. See, Lordship, page number 20 is very clear. The order of bail, granted order of the landed court below, Lordship, the judicial measure past class. May I read out, Lordship? Bail was granted on 24 July 2024. See the below, Lordship. I have also perused the bail application. It appeared that accused person Gyamir Anya and the complainant had marital problem, and as such, she left the marital home with the co-accused Aminur Ali, and she also took some case with herself and withdraw certain amounts from the ATM. Further, it is also alleged that she has stolen 30 lakhs rupees, 12 lakhs worth of gold, and around 10 lakhs worth of local bits. Lordship, see, all this alleged amount is taken only by the complainant itself. So in this case, unnecessary, Lordship, this complainant has put allegation against me, whereas I never any offense thing that I will not committed, Lordship.
Complainant's wife.
Yes,
gone with this petitioner.
Pardon, Lordship.
The complainant's wife has gone with this petitioner.
Yes,
Yes. So, Lordship, it is very clear.
Okay, Ginny,
yes, your lordship.
all the
I'm
case
totally
then.
innocent, Lordship.
Yes, we'll call the case, your lordship. Your lordship, he had only read certain paragraphs, your lordship. If your lordship will see entire paragraphs, there is a contention saying that it's a pre-planned and the entire act, and neither the stolen amount has been recovered,
That's
nor the
confirmation
accused.
can be- But see, this is the court order, Lordship. This is the honorable court order. See, everything is been taken by
Okay.
his wife only.
I will give you interim protection.
Yes,
Hard Mr.
T. Topu.
Paid for the petitioner. RMST Ginny, will order additional public prosecutor from the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Call for the case day. Para. Heard the learned counsels of both sides in the matter will pray for interim protection. This court is of the opinion that the petitioner deserves to be given interim protection. Accordingly, it is hereby directed that in the event of arrest in connection in the Harlogan case number 70 of 2024, the petitioner Sri Aminur
Aminur Ali.
shall be released on bail of rupees 20,000 if surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority. The petitioner shall appear before the investigating officer in the next 10 days from today. This again on
19.
19, your lordship.
19.
Deeply affected.
Bye. Item number 3.
Yes.
Lordship, this is matter has been settled before the Lok Adalat, but there was some misunderstanding, Lordship. So to understand this court, Lordship, directly come to the series of this case, Lordship. Page number 20, Lordship.
Yeah.
Annexure 1. What happened, Lordship? In this case, this petitioner is the junior engineer under PWD department. In 2017, the petitioner was in charge of that highway in the Kamli district of Arunachal Pradesh.
Mm.
And during that time, Arunachal Trans Highway compensation issue was there. So he was one of the assigned officer of that area.
Mm.
So what happened on 27 September 2020? May I read out the appendix?
Mm.
Officer in charge police station Raga, subject FIR. This FIR is regarded to incline that that had happened at Kimblico Blaze at around 1 p.m. on 27/09/2017, when the compensation assessment team for the disbursement of the compensation for Raga Circle was garrotted and physically assaulted without any provocation, led by Sri Magatad, forest guard, son of left Maga Tutu of Raga Village, Sri Maga Agast, son of Sri Magatad of Raga Village, and Sri Maga Tutu, son of Sri Magatad of Raga Village. The incident took place at the residential complex of Sri S.S. Maga JT IC Headmaster Government ME School Kimblico, when Deputy Commissioner Jiro and his team were about to leave the residence after having lunch, when the path of the DC Jiro was blocked by Sri Maga Agast and Sri Maga Tatu. The PSO of DC Jiro tried to clear the way. However, since they were reluctant, it led to a scuffle, and in the ensuing moment, the team members were assaulted by Sri Maga Tatu, Sri Maga Agast, and Sri Maga Tatu. These three persons were joined by the other people and almost become free from all situations. The DC0 was pushed and pulled in the meantime. Engineering Kabakbat, this is the petitioner also. JEPWD, who was member of the assessment team, was hurt. Again, this 3% instigated others to attack the team member. Then again, the personal 22 rifle of DC0 was snatched by Sri Magatad and attempt to fire at the assessment team member. Fortunately, there was no magazine alive ammunition in 22 rifle. Later on, 22 rifle was destroyed by Sri Magatad and destroyed 22 rifle is still in his possession. Again as a DC and his team proceeded to their respective vehicles to leave the area, the vehicle of the DC was again garrotted by the Sri Magatad this police, and the DC0 was forced to stay with his vehicle. The DC flag attached to the vehicle of the DC was pulled out and thrown away, and abuse words were hurled by the Sri Magatad at the DC0. After intervention of the senior citizen present, the vehicle of DC0 and his team were allowed to leave. And in doing so, Sri Maga Agast and Sri Maga Tatu entered into the official vehicle of DC0 as sport and took DC to their residence located at Raga near Government Secondary School gate. DC was confined in their residence for around one hour. Next page, It may also be mentioned in the proceeding there, the compensation disbursement of water bill on 26 September 2018 was halted at around 4 p.m. due to obstruction created by the same party. Therefore, this FIR is lodged against Sri Magata, Sri Maga, August, Sri Magata. So, in this context, I would like to highly request good official.
Here,
kindly-
Sakshi filed a-
Lordship, what happened after this? We have filed in the FIR in that day, Lordship, against this respondents.
Mm.
So, what about in same day, Lordship, this page number 24, Lordship, they have made counter FIR, the respondent. It is type copies, Lordship, page number 25, Lordship. Type, what happened, Lordship, counter FIR, it is reflected that officer in charge police station Raga, Lower Subansiri district, respected sir, with utmost information report, FIR against Sri Wodak Tatu Sri Kabak Bat JEPW alleging assaulting me physically without any provocation at Kemliko village. Further, I may inform you in that the assaulter was led by Sri Kimolol in DC 0 for purpose of disbursement of compensation, and the public were only asking for the procedure for payment. Then suddenly they provoke without any reason. Lordship, what happened? Same day, the respondent and this petitioner also lost their FIR. So police has registered. Respondent case has registered a Raga PS case number 9/2011, and petitioner FIR was registered as a Raga PS number 10. In the petitioner FIR, Lordship, see, Lordship, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 victims, Lordship. They are all the government officials. So what happened after this FIR? Police started the investigation and filed the charge sheet, Lordship. So in the matter has been endorsed to the London Judicial presently camp at Zero, Lordship. So then that's comments before that London court. So what happened? The London court has fixed this matter for the law cutter. Page number, Lordship, 26. This is a very important list. Page number 26, law cutter. My petitioner has been to appeal to the law cutter. There is some, so according Lordship, see the page 27, type of Lordship. Informant Maga Tata is the informant of the FIR number 0917, Lordship. Maga Tata is present, accused person Kavabat and Wodak Tata are present. The informant has agreed to compound the matter of the accused person has also agreed to compound or take back the complaint filed against informant. His elder brother Maga Agas and his father Magatat. The accused person has filed an FIR in Raga PS case number so and so and so. So what happened, Lordship? On that day, only the case was fixed about the Raga PS number 09/70, but not fixed the case of 10 of the 2020. So, Lordship, this informant has, they said that let us resolve the matters. So accordingly, both the party agree on that day, but in the FIR, Lordship, in that case, the petitioner was alone, but other accused who was not in the role of that FIR number 10. So because of that, Lordship, what happened? Petitioner has said that informant that I will try my best also. I will try my best to compound that's Raga PS case number 10/17. So accordingly, matter was settled. Look at that Raga PS 9 was according compounded, compounded. So after that, what happened? This petitioner
The complaint case is still pending.
Yes, Lordship. Complaint case is there because Lordship, I have already informed to this respondent that
Okay.
other accused persons are not.
For the
there.
time being, I will stay the further process.
Yes, Lordship, exactly.
Hard, Mr. Keith, appealing for the petitioner. Issue notice to the sole respondent. The petitioner shall take steps for servicing notice upon the sole respondent by registered for 2 days. List after 4 weeks. Till it. CR case number 05 of 2023. Pending in the court of Chief Judicial Magistrate 0. Arunachal Pradesh. Shall remain stay.
Review of it. Taking the floor.
Yes.
Mr. PD Nair is currently occupied in another court. Kindly this matter may be passed over for the time being.
Who is appealing?
Mr. PD Nair.
He is here.
Yes. Okay.
Item number 6.
Six.
Please for item number 6.
They're absenting.
RMST Chini, Bill Arne Petition Public Prosecutor for the State of Arunachal Pradesh. Since none appears for the petitioner on call, the matter stands adjourned to the list after 3 weeks.
Your Lordship, also a small request, Your Lordship, a small request, Your Lordship. On the next date, maintainability of this petition may be.
List after 3 weeks. On the next date of listing, the maintainability of this criminal petition shall be considered.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 7.
Yes.
Lordship, this is a joint petition, Lordship.
Hmm.
For quashing of a trial ongoing before the pending before the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate West Siang Alo, Lordship. The offense is section 419, impersonation.
And if you filed under both sides. What affidavit you filed?
Lordship, this is a settlement agreement.
You have settled.
There is a settlement. This is a joint petition, Lordship, between the parties, Lordship.
It is a joint petition.
Joint petition. Initially, Lordship, we had filed a joint petition in regards to petitioner number 1 and 2. Now, the complainant and the accused person. Now, we have filed an additional affidavit with amicable settlement between petitioner number 1 and 3 as well. That was brought on record by the additional affidavit. Lordship, although the matter was settled, we could not file a amicable settlement on while the matter was filed. So we had craved leave and we have subsequently filed.
Where is the FIR?
Lordship, the FIR,
Page 15.
it starts from page number. Yes, page 15. The type copy is page 16 and 17.
What are the sections?
Lordship, the charge is at page number 21. The charges is framed under section 4119. Cheating by impersonation.
21.
Page number 21, annexure 3. That is the charge. 419. Cheating by impersonation.
Accused is Kenny Ate.
Kenny Lordship. Petitioner number 1 here. Petitioner number 1, Kenny Lordship.
Why they want to compromise this matter?
Pardon, Lordship.
Why they want to compromise this matter?
Lordship, they are family members, Lordship. She has married her brother, Lordship. Claim by relation, Lordship.
It is an offense against the state. This is not a personal offense. Hard to start.
Jita, Lordship. Lordship, there is interim that may be continued.
Interim is there.
Yes, Lordship.
The interim order passed on December 21. Actually, this
By the lordship, this court below also lordship,
can be compounded in the court
lordship,
below.
lordship.
So why don't you go to the court?
Lordship, we had made an oral prayer, but that was not allowed, Lordship.
So that is Daniel order, we have not
Then I
gone to
pass the
lordship.
order.
Lordship.
Heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for the key petitioners. Heard MSL Hage, the learned additional policy prosecutor for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. This is an application under section 482 of the CRS. Praying for. The criminal proceedings of
Lordship. GR case number, Lordship, 160,
GR case number
164 of 2020, Lordship.
164 of
2020,
2020.
2020.
2020, arising out of Alu PS case number
97.
97 of 2019. Which is the page number where charge is framed?
Lordship, page number
Oh, yes, yes,
21.
21,
20.
para. In this case, the trial court has framed the charge under section 419 of the Indian Penal Code. This offense is a compoundable offense under the provisions of Criminal Procedure Code. Therefore, the petitioners are directed to approach the trial court for filing petitions for compounding the offense. With the aforesaid direction, the present criminal petition stands closed and disposal.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 8. Yes. Is it a joint petition? Yes, sir. Lordship, here, the section, charges will be under section 354, 509, 323 IPC, read with section 30 outside. Where is the FIR? FIR is at page number 19. They have compromised.
Yes, Lordship.
They have compromised the matter.
Yes, Lordship. Since the victim is the sister-in-law of the accused, they have compromised, and the deed of settlement is page number 50.
Who is the sister, brother-in-law or sister-in-law?
Sister-in-law is, the victim is the sister-in-law of the accused person. Petitioner number 1.
Sister-in-law, that means wife's sister.
Brother's wife.
Oh, okay. What do you say, Ginny?
There is a section for the Arms Act to Your Lordship. Now, Your Lordship is well aware, even in the entire evidence, he had a position of the arms and he has used it, Your Lordship. Your Lordship will see, I'll just place Lakshmi Narayan once again, Your Lordship. Lakshmi Narayan at 15 point,
Page number
paragraph number 15, Your Lordship.
15.
Yes. Your Lordship will see 15.4.
Just a minute. Yes.
If I may read, Your Lordship. Offences under Section 307 IPC and the Arms Act, etc., which falls in the category of heinous and serious offence, and therefore are to be treated as crime against the society and not against the individual alone. And therefore, the criminal proceeding for offences under Section 307 and or the Arms Act, etc., which have a serious impact on the society cannot be quashed in exercise of the power under Section 482 of the Code.
Hmm.
Now, Your Lordship will come to page number 49 of the petition, Your Lordship. Your Lordship.
Yes.
The last paragraph, Your Lordship, it's that bit on perusal.
Hmm.
On perusal, I find no sufficient material. When we look at Lakshmi Narayan, Your Lordship, Lakshmi Narayan does not specify certain sections. It covers the entire Arms Act, Your Lordship.
Hmm. Okay, what is your reply?
Lordship, though it says that in the Lakshmi Narayan, it says that arms act and others, heinous offense are not to be quashed, but there are instances where heinous offenses like rape, POCSO has been quashed on the basis of settlement, and where there is a chances that
Now, what about arms act?
Arms Act, Lordship, section 30, it's related to punishment for contravention of license or rule. And the punishment here is for 6 months with fine. And Lordship, the idea of Arms Act, the whole purpose of the Arms Act is to regulate the prohibitory arms.
No, that's absolutely not correct. Section 3 speaks about providing license. There is no, this is an admitted fact that he had a license, Your Lordship. However, 30 is clearly with regard to contravention any conditions of the license and the rules. So though he had a license, he had acted as against the rules prescribed in the Arms Act as well as Arms Rule, Your Lordship. Now, Lakshmi Narayan clearly prohibits. There are some cases, Your Lordship. I will admit to that fact that there are some cases where Arms Act, cases where Arms Act are there, Your Lordship, that has been quashed. Why? Because when the court has gone through the evidences, Your Lordship, there were some cases where the arms were never used. Only they had certain position, Your Lordship. However, in this case, Your Lordship, he had contravened the rules provided while granting an arms. Your Lordship will see the arm license have certain rules in the booklet given in the license, Your Lordship.
Lordship, if this continues also, since the victim and the accused has already settled, there is a very big chance that there will be.
You better appear before a trial court and give evidence like
Yes.
that. Then you will get a acquittal.
In,
This
yes,
cannot be allowed.
yes. Deeply.
Obliged.
It's photo.
Your Lordship, this is a joint criminal petition filed by petitioner number 1, who is the accused, and petitioner number 2, victim informant, for quashing and setting aside of the proceeding, which is pending before the Sessions Court UPR. And the next date is fixed on 30 September 2024 for PWs.
Where is the FIR?
Your Honor, the FIR is in page number 27, which is filed after incident occurred on November 2018 and FIR is lodged on 13/7/2019,
After about 1 year.
after about 9 months, Your Lordship. Then in the main petition, the affidavit is sworn by the petitioner number 1, who's the accused, who has been authorized by petitioner number 2. Then there is an authorization letter, which is in page number 32 by petitioner number 2, that is the victim informant. Then Your Lordship on 5/9/2024 has observed that the authorization letter was done before the notary UPR. So then Your Lordship had stated that an affidavit may be filed by the petitioner number 2 before the Oath Commissioner of High Court. So then it has been filed as annexure number 40, which has been added. It was fixed yesterday also, but the registry couldn't bring in the affidavit. So
Oh, she
today it's
filed.
fixed again. Yes, she had filed before the notary on, sorry, before the High Court Oath Commissioner on 9/9/2024.
What is your reply, Ginny?
Your Lordship, this is an offense under 376, Your Lordship. I've just take the record, Your Lordship. 376 in her statement under 161 and 164, Your Lordship. Both the statement corroborates that there was a she was raped, Your Lordship. Now, in an offense of rape, Your Lordship is well aware that there cannot be any compromise, and the quashing under 482 cannot be sought for, Your Lordship. Now, if I have just gone through one of the order, if Your Lordship will come to page number 38.
Yes.
If I may read from the second paragraph, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
Learned PP submits that the accused has forcefully committed rape upon the victim girl by entering into her rented house.
May I, my lord? I beg to mention this item number 23, my lord.
Your number?
23, my lord.
23 years.
Yes, my lord. The leading counsel, K. Lawyer, is out of station, my lord. So therefore, I pray Your
Lawyer.
Honor that 4 weeks may be given.
Mr. What is your name?
T. Tagbu.
Appearing for the evidence submits that the learned conducting counsel, Mr. K. Loya.
Yes.
K. Loya
Yes.
is out of station and until the other adjournment has been prayed for. I have also heard Mr. T. Ate, the learned additional public prosecutor for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. The prayer of the appellant is allowed. List up to 4 weeks for hearing.
Much obliged.
Obliged.
The second, appeal.
Yes,
I will take it up on some other day.
uh,
You suggest on date.
this was fixed today, Your Honor. Substantial question of law, two substantial question of law has been framed.
Okay, on some other day. You suggest on date. When it will be convenient for you.
Your Honor, we are ready today. Maybe on, after vacation then, 22nd October.
Heard the learned counsels of both sides. List is later on 22nd
Yes,
October
yes,
for hearing.
Oblige.
oblige.
Twenty. 29. It should be 28. I think on 28. None appears for appellant and call. You are for?
Register for respondent number 2.
Hard MS L Hage, field added additional public prosecutor for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Hard Mr.
S. Yirang, Lordship.
S.
Yirang.
Irang, appearing for respondent number 2. Since none appears for the appellant and call, the hearing will adjourn today. List after 4 weeks for hearing. It is finished. Huh? Not ready. You can call me. Make it early.
Sir,
Impure proceeding. Today I will issue notice on this.
Your Lordship, I am praying because it is getting delay and alleged accused person is suffering of his no fault. In all the 161 statement given by the all alleged accused person, none of them have stated in their 161 statement that the alleged accused party petitioner that he was involved with them. They have prepared the fake stamp, but other co-accused like Tau Perry, Srimati Sangeeta Bansal, their statements are correlated with each other. He's only been on suspect. He should have been made witness in the case, but police have.
Today I will issue notice on.
So I pray your Lordship, for short date also, your Lordship, the next hearing date is on 24 of October. Due to this, his service benefit is also is not been availing. So I pray that that's why it has compelled the petitioner to file this criminal petition. We were ready to face the trial, but trial is taking delay. Even if the case gets split, it will affect the petitioner. Whereas none of the statement in the 161 series.
Court
if
can
Lord's-
split the case against the person
The
who is
court-
not appearing.
court have not split. I'm submitting that even if the case gets split, it will get delay and it will hamper the petitioner because petitioner is no way involved. If Lordship give time, then I can show all the statement made by
There is
the.
no requirement. Today I will issue notice on.
So I pray that your Lordship interim still returnable there.
What interim?
Interim the proceeding against alleged person may be stayed, your Lordship.
What do you say? That can be done.
Matter is being stayed, there would be even more further delay.
Yes, there will be further delay. That is the reason.
Because your Lordship,
Notice maybe
CC speaks on 23/10/2012. This is going on for last 2 years.
CC, you make a prayer before the court below for splitting the case against the person who is not appearing.
Yes, that can be done.
You make a prayer. Heard Mr. A. Bhattacharya appearing for the petitioner. Heard Mr. J. Sehi, the learned public prosecutor for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Issue notice. No formal notice is required to be sent to the respondent number 1 as because Mr. Sering has accepted notice. Extra copy of the petition shall be provided to him. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 2, 3, and 4 by registered postage AD. List after 4 weeks.
Your Lordship, interim may be considered in next year.
The interim prayer shall be considered on the next date.
Oblige.
By the time you make a prayer before the
Yes, Lordship.
for
Because,
splitting the
your
case.
Lordship, some person innocent of suffering. The trial also is getting delayed.
Item number 32.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Next Monday. Monday will be, what is it, 16? On 16.